Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock network and security, right? So how do you go about doing that? Do a swipe up and open up your settings and click on lock screen. From here, tap on secure lock settings and you want to put in your pin here. Then once you're here, you'll be able to see lock network and security. Now as you can see, mine is currently on. The purpose for this to be on is that once your phone screen is locked, your Wi-Fi and your mobile data will still be on, and this will be preventing it from being turned off. This can also help you if you should lose or lost your phone, you still have some connectivity, you still have some network there so that you can track it. But if you don't want this, right, you can easily toggle it off and you can turn off lock network and security on your phone. So once you lock your screen, your mobile data will be turned off, your Wi-Fi will be disabled, your Wi-Fi will be turned off as well. But I would suggest you keep this on by toggle it on. And if yours is off by default for some reason, you want to go ahead and turn this on because it's very important. Really hope you find this useful, guys. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below and hit that subscribe button so that you can become a part of this community so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos. And of course, you also help this channel to grow, which I greatly appreciate. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.